Okay, a new day, a new project. A while ago I bought one of these power banks kit. It was like £4 or something from eBay. You can find them even cheaper with AliExpress or Banggood or whatever. And what I want to do today, I just want to put these things together. It's a really nice power bank. It have a LCD display and this shows the capacity, the energy left and energy in and charging, discharging and so on. And by the book it says one of the ports it's 2 amps and the other one it's 1 amp. Okay, we should see that later. But for now I want to find 4 of these cells because this is working with 4 cells. I was trying to fit these in, but these are too big for this purpose. These are really good. So I'm gonna try to find 4 cells to have the same internal resistance. 53, that's okay. Still in good shape. 54.3. Perfect. 53. Okay, pretty close. 60 something. 61. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these 56 and we have the others. Now it depends on the state of charge a little bit because let's say these ones have 394 voltage and this one is 378. So I think these 4 will do the job. I'm pretty sure these are the best I have for now. Next, what I'm gonna do, you know, all of these are going in parallel. Like I told you before, I'm always, because these are recovered from laptop batteries, I'm always let a little bit of tab over here to make it easier to solder together. It's nice to have one of these plastic port or how you call it, connect them together. So everybody's saying that it's not good to have them soldered, but you know, if you are fast enough there will be no problem. I'm going to use this kind of wire because it can be in the same time a kind of fuse. You have to be as fast as possible. I can tell you that there is no harm to the batteries, and I'm gonna let this one a little bit longer because this one will be connected over here on the board. And now the other side, now they've already been soldered over there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a piece of tape to keep them together. We already have a tack over here. I think I need a little help this time. Don't forget to let this a little bit longer. I'm starting with this one here. And it's done, you see? It's very easy. Okay. Yeah. So we have the pack already. Now, I'm curious to see about the internal resistance of this pack. So theoretically it should be, let's say, 50 or 60 divided by 4, around 15 ohms. Let's check that out. 16.6. That's perfect, and that proves that all the elements, all the cells are tied together. Before anything else, what I'm gonna do, I found that a proper way to do it. I'm gonna have 2 connections here on the board for plus and minus, because it's much easier to solder now than after all the things are together. Yes, we have the plus here, this is plus and this is minus. Red, brown for plus and white or black for ground. So this is plus over here. First step, it's done. You see we got all the components here. I forgot to tell you, but this one also have a flashlight, so we have a plastic window over here, and we have the on-off button, and this one is also for the flashlight, and this goes in here like this. Yeah, but first of all we need to put this frame, and this goes like this over here. Okay, so here is the button for the flashlight and for turning on the charger, and this is the loop for the flashlight. We get the board like this, put in the position, and we have some plastic sticks here, or how you call it, to have it in the right place, and this is the right position. Yes, that should be perfect. Now, screws, one over here. Don't over tight, because it's plastic and you break the plastic. It's perfect, and it fits very, very nice. And now, what we have to do, I like to put something down here to have this in place. So I'm going to have a piece of double tape like this, and then a couple of these stronger. Be really careful. This one goes like this. If you have, this is the plus over here, so always make it like this, plus over here, because if you put the pack the other way, it will blow up in a second. It's very sensitive to polarity, this kind of electronics. So we put this in place. Plus, if you take it like this, with the LCD up here, plus will be on the left. Beware about that. Okay, this is nice in place. All we have to do now is to have this connection together. So, I like to do it like this because it's much easier, even if we have long wires here, I don't care. But then it's very easy to take it out and change the cells and elements and whatever. We have a little bit of soldering wire, just a little bit. Yeah, the bottom is working great. And the moment of truth. Oh yeah, it's working. So now let's have the minus. Oh, this is the plus, I'm sorry. Now let's have the plus. And it's done. And this one also will go like this. Be sure you don't touch anything. The flashlight is on. The display is working. We have 74% charging in these cells. And what I have to do now is just to put the top on the things. And there we are. We have we have a battery bank. So we have 4 cells times average 2 amps. That we have like 8 amps. Okay, we have around 30 watts of power over here, and this is more than enough to charge your phone for at least 3 times, 2.5, maybe 3 times, depends on the phone. So I hope this is useful. I really recommend this. You can feel it really nice over here, and it's cheap if you take it the other way. And of course, what else, you can reuse this kind of laptop cells instead of being thrown in the garbage. And by the way, never throw all batteries, any kind of batteries, in the trash. It's really, really dangerous for the environment. Thank you for now, guys. Until new project, hope you well. Please like and subscribe. Send me the questions if you have any. Wish you well. Bye bye.